Welcome. If you've been experiencing issues with Gmail calls not working on your PC after the latest update, you're not alone. Fortunately, there are several straightforward steps you can take to resolve this problem and get back to seamless communication. Let's dive into the solutions. First, try closing your browser and reopening it. Sometimes, a simple restart of your browser can clear up minor glitches that may be affecting your Gmail calls. After reopening, check if the issue persists. Next, it's essential to check your internet connection. From the notifications area on your taskbar, click on the network icon to verify that you're connected. A stable internet connection is crucial for making calls through Gmail. If your connection seems fine, the next step is to refresh the Gmail web page. Just click on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser. This action can often resolve temporary loading issues. Sometimes restarting your device can make a significant difference. To do this, press the Windows icon, then click on the power icon and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button again. Another effective solution is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Start by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. From there, select Delete Browsing Data. Ensure all options are checked and set the time range to All Time. Finally, click on Delete Data. This step can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing issues. If you've tried all these steps and still face problems, consider logging out of Gmail and then signing back in. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Sign Out. After logging out, sign back in with your email address and password. By following these steps, closing and reopening your browser, checking your internet connection, refreshing Gmail, restarting your device, clearing cache and cookies, and logging out and back in, you should be able to resolve any issues with Gmail calls not working on your PC after the recent update. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.